Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to link Instagram account to Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to link your Instagram account to your Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land on the profile interface of your Picsart account. And on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just below the share profile. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the social accounts option available for us just below the connected accounts button over here. Tap on social accounts, and this kind of box will appear where you can see there is the logo for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram logo, and then you'll be directed to the login panel of Instagram. Over here you can see, now enter your username or your email address of your Instagram account over here, and of that enter your password, whichever may it be, and tap on the login button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Instagram account. And the moment you log into your Instagram account, on this panel your Instagram account and your Picsart account will be linked. And with that being said guys, this is how to link Instagram account to Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.